Okay, guys, we're going to take out my puppy. You can see her tracks. And my bra told me to stay here for some strange reason. So that's Elsa. My dad named her. And I have to take her out because she's not too freaking old. Go take herself out. Oh, yeah. I'll get you. I'll get you. She's way too fast for me. I'll get you. I can, like, fly. Let's go check that out. If you got on camera, I'm not gonna post this video. So I'm gonna have to look it over. I got a stick. It's like the size of mine. Elsa, go get the stick. It's snowing out. This is all I'm wearing. Like, everything you see on me is all I'm wearing. I've done like 6 videos tonight. I don't even know why. I just got my Twitch account, so expect more live stream. My brother's shoveling off the deck. There's my bro, he's shoveling off the deck. I don't know if you saw that, but yeah, that's my breath. I'm Slim Shady, you sound real shady. Are you what a Slim Shady is? I just imitating. Freaking cold out here. Oh, I almost just stepped on my dog. Do it for the camera. Do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. So I only have 20% left. So.